Welcome to another video from Plain and Simple Travels. Today we're going to do a very expensive upgrade to the F-truck. I think all American trucks come out with this bloody radio aerial from the 1960s. Well, thereabouts. I guess at least it's fiberglass. It's a flexi aerial, but it's so flexible. Like once you get to 80 kilometers an hour, the thing's bent like that and it's flipping back and forwards as you're driving along. It just annoys me. So we're gonna get rid of that. Thing is, it's not just a radio aerial. Apparently it's the GPS receiver too for the onboard mapping. So anyway, we just take that off. Won't have to put up with it anymore. Take it off. It's got a reverse connection. Screws in. So anyway, I found this stumpy. It's 1.25 inches long. It's got all the bits to go in that. Got it off eBay for $10 delivered. So we're going to put that on. So we just need the adapter, which is in there, and a few washers. We'll just get that organised. So the kit has 4 adapters in it, different sizes, different threads. I wouldn't say any of them are perfect for the F-truck, but this is the closest one I can get. It just screws in. I've got a washer there that I can spread out over the top. And the stubby nozzle aerial goes under the other side of the adapter. There we go. Don't have to put up with that bloody big thing anymore. I'll just see if it actually works for the mapping. Oh, just crank it up while we're in the garage. See if it works. Just nav. Phone wants to take over, we'll go back to nav. So it knows where we are. Let's see if the radio works. Not picking up a strong signal while we're in here, but it works. Yeah. Anyway, so it looks much better. I won't have to put up with it flicking back and forwards all the time anymore. Good cheap upgrade.